Here's a 2010 Toyota Tundra. Standard equipment in the widely acclaimed Tundra includes dual-zone air conditioning, tilt-adjustable steering wheel, traction control, stability control, and all-season tires.
Climb any mountain. This vehicle has four-wheel drive. Protection for your truck and your haul comes with a BEDLINER.
With its rock-solid chassis and superb handling, combined with supreme power and performance, the mighty Tundra is always a top choice.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.